DIYPVCPipeGarden, bending the pipe to fit plants. Today, I'll show you how to bend PVC pipe to create a simple and effective DIY garden that fits your plants perfectly. PVC pipe is lightweight, affordable, and incredibly versatile. By bending it instead of cutting and connecting multiple joints, you can create smooth curves that look clean and professional, while also giving plants better support and spacing. To start, choose the right pipe. Thin wall PVC bends more easily and works great for garden structures like hoops, trellises, and frames. Thicker pipe can still bend, but it requires more heat and patience. The safest way to bend PVC is with heat. A heat gun works best, but boiling water can also do the job for smaller projects. Apply heat evenly along the section you want to bend, rotating the pipe slowly so it doesn't flatten or blister. As the pipe softens, gently bend it into shape. Don't rush this step. Slow, steady pressure helps keep the curve smooth and prevents cracking. Once you reach the desired shape, hold the pipe in place until it cools and hardens. For garden use, curved PVC pipes are perfect for creating raised beds, vertical plant supports, or hoop tunnels for protecting plants from sun and frost. You can anchor the pipe directly into the soil or attach it to wooden frames for added stability. One important tip: avoid overheating. If the PVC starts to bubble or discolor, it's too hot. Proper heating keeps the pipe strong and safe for long-term outdoor use. With just a little heat and creativity, PVC pipe can transform your garden layout, making it more efficient, organized, and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this DIY garden tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More simple garden projects coming soon.